Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a Zoom meeting in your Google Calendar. And this is very simple, and I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is go to your Google Calendar and log in with your Google account. And then after this we go here to the settings option and then we go to get add-ons. Then from here we search for Zoom, and right here it's already standing Zoom for Google Workspace. Click on that. Then right here click on this one and then make sure that you download this Zoom for Google Workspace. So we click here on install and then we do continue. Then we log in with our Google account. Then we do continue again. Then we click here on allow. So please check everything if you want to give them access to that. Now for me it's not necessary. This email is not important for me, so I do allow right here. And then we click here on continue, but he automatically will do that for us. And then he is downloading Zoom right now. And if I click here now on done and click this one away, we have this little Zoom icon just right here. Now, we need to log in to our Zoom account. So click on this icon and then, refresh this page first. Then click here on the Zoom icon. And then I already logged in, but make sure that you log into this Zoom icon or that you have a Zoom account, because otherwise he won't show up when you create an event. So right now we go to create events and we write down let's talk about our business plan. And right now you see here at Google Meet video conferencing, but if you click here on this arrow and we click on Zoom meeting, you see that he will create a Zoom meeting with the link. And right now if I click here on save, we just created a Zoom meeting in Google Calendar. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.